Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.3 third sum. Let's see the question. Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. So they have asked us to find a triangle, not the given vertices. Let me take the given vertices as A, B, C. If A is 0, -1, B is 2, 1, C is 0, 3. They have told that joining the midpoints of the side. So we need to take the midpoints of each side and we need to join it. We need to find the area of a triangle of this smaller triangle. Let me take this to be EDF. We need to find the area of a triangle of EDF to the find the ratio of the area of a triangle this to the area of the given triangle. So we need to find the ratio. For that we need to find the area of this triangle. We don't know anything about this triangle. We only know these are the midpoints of the sides. So to find DEF we are going to take the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Now D is the midpoint of AB. So as D is the midpoint of AB, using midpoint formula we can find D. Now midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Just substitute the value of midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB, that is D, is equal to the first one plus first one by 2, second one plus second one by 2. So just write the sign as it is, -1 plus 1 by 2. So here it becomes 2 by 2, here 0. So 1 minus 1 will become 0. 0 by any number will become 0. So 1, 0 is for D. We'll find for E. Just add this 2. So 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. Here it becomes 2 by 2, 4 by 2. We can cancel, this becomes 1, this becomes 2. So E point is 1, 2. We have found D, we found E, we will find F now. For F, A, C. So adding, for F it is just adding 0 plus 0 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2. If I solve, it becomes 0. Here it becomes 2 by 2, 1. So 0, 1. Now we have found the F point. We have found D, we found E, we found F. We need to find the area of DEF as well as area of ABC. Now write the area formula half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Just substitute the value here. For DEF we can find the area of the triangle. Now area of a triangle DEF equal to, I'll write the points 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So half into here 1, 2 minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 0 plus 0. 0 into any number will be 0. So you can leave this part. So 0 into any number will be 0. Here half, this becomes 1. 1 into 1 will become 1. Here 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 will become 1. So half into 2 you get cancelled, it becomes 1. So area will be 1 square units. For DEF it is 1 square unit. We'll find for ABC. For that we want points. A is 0, -1, B is 2, 1, C is 0, 3. Now half into 0 into any number will be 0. So no worries here. Now 2 into 3 plus 1 plus here is also 0. So for you the calculation part is very easy now. We can leave this and we can leave this. We can solve only this because 0 into any number will be 0. Here half into, this is 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we can cancel this. It is 4 square units. They have asked us to find the area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC, that is 1 by 4. Area of triangle DEF is 1. Here it is 4, so 1 by 4. The ratio is 1:4. This is the final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.